Hello, I'm John. I'm Jackson. We're going to be doing the potato and the orange experiment. We have two potatoes, one potato and one orange. And this is going to be powered by the potato, and this is going to be powered by the orange. We're gonna try to power these RC cars with either the potato or the orange. And the ingredients are two RC cars, two batteries, one potato, and one orange. Two wires, which we have right here. Our hypothesis is if we got two RC cars that were not charged, then we would be able to charge it with a potato or a orange like it charges with a lemon. And would it produce as much energy? Step 1, get the RC cars and then get the potato. Step 2, you charge the RC cars overnight with the two ingredients. Step 3, then you try to get each one to drive. And step 4, see which one works better. The science behind the experiment is the zinc, the wire, shoves the bad energy away from the car, and the copper brings the good energy in the car. So that's what gives it enough power to run. And as you can see here, we are powering orange with that potato. Make sure it goes all the way into the skin, or this science experiment will not work. Because then, if it doesn't go in enough, the juice will not run to it, and this will not work. So we have to charge this overnight. So we will be back with step 2. Okay. So today this is part 2, and it finally charged. Yeah, we had to wait overnight, and this is the result of the orange. You can see it is definitely plugged in because of these two marks. And then we have the controllers for both to see which one works. So we are going to, the orange got charged by this one. Yeah, and the potato got charged by this one. So we are going to put this one, the cruiser, down first. Let's see if the orange has enough juice to power this RC car. Clearly, A, B, or C do not work. So clearly the orange did not work for the cruiser. Now we are going to try the truck. Okay, let's make sure this is on. Okay. It is on and ready to roll. Wait, this one? Clearly, the potato or the orange did not work. So, in both experiments, they did not work.
Why do you think they failed?
Because the batteries were too big, and these little things kind of charge the battery. Yeah, can't charge this whole battery.
So, if you were going to do it again, what do you think you would try?
A littler car. Yeah, we would try a littler car and maybe like 2 oranges. Yeah, 2 oranges or 2 potatoes.
So what's the science behind this?
The science behind this. Well,
They already did it, the other one.
we tried the potato and the orange because we knew that a lemon worked to charge RC cars, and how it worked, and we try to see if both of them would work. But how it worked was the zinc, the wire shoves the bad energy away from the car, and the copper brings the good energy in from the lemon, and So that's what gives the car enough power to make it run.
Okay.